Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by verifying hardware and connectivity. If your dish receiver has a built-in app store, use it. Otherwise, prepare a compatible streamer box. Make sure the receiver and router are on the same network and update the receiver firmware now so the app installs cleanly. Have your Google account ready on your phone or computer. You'll use it to sign in. Once done, power cycle the receiver so the system loads updated components and the App Store appears immediately. You now install and connect the YouTube app. Open the receiver or streamer's App Store, search for YouTube, and install the official app. Avoid third-party clones. Launch YouTube and choose Sign In. Either enter credentials on the receiver or pick Use TV code, and complete Sign In on your phone or browser by entering the on-screen code. Configure permissions and preferred streaming quality to match your bandwidth. Make sure parental controls are set if needed. Then close the app. You finish by testing playback and saving quick access. Play a short video to check audio sync, captions, and that resolution is correct for your TV. Create a home screen shortcut or add the app to favorites so you can open YouTube fast next time. If playback stutters or sign in fails, reboot the receiver and router, confirm Wi-Fi signal strength, update the app and firmware, and reset HDMI cables. One tip: try switching between Ethernet and Wi-Fi to isolate network.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.